Recording.
Hi 3D, your lesson today is to perform a piece of poetry. You're going to need to think about how you're going to perform it and what you need to do to get there. Now, you've got to think about what today's Walt is and the Wilfs. Three things that if you do them you're going to be successful. It means you've done it. Now then, Tiny and I are going to read you a poem, a performance poem, to give you some ideas. Dave Dirt's dog is a horrible hound, a hideous sight to see. When Dave first brought it home from the pound, we couldn't be certain which way round the thing was meant to be. Somebody said, well, if that's the head, it's for the ugliest dog in town. Somebody said, the darn thing's dead. Don't be silly, it's upside down. It's inside out, it's a sort of a plant. It's wearing clothes, it's Dave Dirt's aunt. It's a sort of a dressing gown. Each expert had his own idea of what it was meant to be, but everyone was far from clear. And yet we did agree. Dave Dirt's hound was a horrible hound and a hideous sight to see. It loves Dave Dirt, it follows him round through rain and sun and snow. When set in motion, it looks far worse, and nobody knows if it's in reverse, or the way it's supposed to go. So, you can rewind this video, watch bits over and over, get the instructions, but the first thing you have to do is come up with the Walt and the Wills for today's lesson. Then you're going to have a choice of some poems, you choose which one, write on it how you're going to perform it, practice the performance. Remember, hand movements, face movements, actions, the way that the rhythm works, and how it rhymes. Okay, 3D? That's your task. Don't let me and Tiny down. On you go.